said, you don't do that. And I picked her up. I helped her up. And I said, no, you don't spar like that. Like, that's not how you spar. Um, and and she said, I want to go. So she left. And I don't know whatever happened to her. I know I went to urgent care like 2 days later because it was still hurting my throat. Like, so if you take one thing away from that, it's get your chin down. Oh, and if it's not down, get it down. You know, and you can push and get it down there. You know, and if someone's trying to squeeze you, it's gonna fucking hurt. But unless it's next level pain, you can kind of fight through some of pain. You'll fight through some of it, not all of it. Like some pain will just cripple you, and yeah. But so if this is your first video here, thanks for coming. If you enjoy the content, consider subscribing, and guess that's about it.